Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Sengoku Dynasty crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen on PS5. So here follow the fixes. The first solution is to restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Then unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation and check problem fixed or not. Second solution is to restore license. On your PS5, go to settings, click on users and account, scroll down and go to other and go to restore license. Now select Sengoku Dynasty game and then select restore. Select yes to confirm and after this launch the game and check. Third solution is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation Network account, go to settings, users and account, other, sign out. Now wait for a few minutes and then log in back. And then you can launch the game and check. If you have any other secondary account, then you can log in with that and check if that works or not. Fourth solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, network, go to setting, set up internet connection, press the options button. In the Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and check which one works for you. Solution 5 is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select system and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Sixth solution is to change language. So open your PS5 settings and navigate to system. Go to the language section, then select your current language and try changing it to English or any other language to fix the issue. Seventh solution is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS5 button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database OK. Launch Sengoku Dynasty and then check your issue is fixed or not. Eighth solution is to delete game data and cache. Please take a note here, must back up the saved data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So go to setting, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Sengoku Dynasty and then select delete OK. Then restart your console and then launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to network, set up internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select custom and choose automatic option for the IP address. Choose do not specify for DHCP hostname. In the DNS setting, choose manual and enter primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. For the proxy server, choose do not use. Now launch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS type 1111 and in secondary DNS type 1001 and then you can launch the game and check. Last solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Sengoku Dynasty game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by this way you can fix Sengoku Dynasty crashing, not launching, freezing, not loading, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5. So if this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.